The ACLU and immigration attorneys with a warning about traveling to Texas.
They say don't do it, citing a law there that could land anyone who's undocumented in jail.
A law Oklahoma political leaders now want to duplicate. News 4's John Hayes has details new tonight.
I don't see how Texas could enforce it. The sheer multitude.
Oklahoma City immigration attorney Vance Winningham stunned by this Texas law.
This one is unprecedented.
While it's currently held up in an appeals court, the law would give police officers the okay to detain people suspected of crossing the U.S.-Mexico border or coming from any other country illegally.
First of all, I would not go to Texas if this law is implemented. Number two, I wouldn't go unless I was a U.S. citizen.
The risk there, though, Winningham says, is that anyone, including Oklahomans traveling to Texas, could be accused, offering this advice if it comes to that.
Really, the only information you have to give are required to are your name, place of residence, and date of birth.
Oklahoma's Attorney General seemingly sharing support for the Texas law. A statement from Gentner Drummond Wednesday acknowledging a new precedent the law would set and saying that if it does, Drummond would, quote, want Oklahoma to be prepared with a robust law that empowers local law enforcement.
If this statute was to be upheld, I'm sure many states would try and enact it.
The ACLU of Oklahoma says it's issued a travel advisory in the meantime. The affiliate's executive director telling News 4, quote, this will undoubtedly lead to racial profiling and will subject thousands of black and brown people to the state prison system, which is already rife with civil rights abuses. John Hayes, Oklahoma's News 4.
ACLU of Oklahoma says it will keep monitoring new developments. Meanwhile, Speaker of the Oklahoma House, Charles McCall, answering the AG's call to action, saying he plans to file legislation to secure Oklahoma's border in the, quote, same fashion as Texas.